everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share a Save-A-Lot grocery haul. My meal plan will be in the description box as well as other links and in the card, so definitely check that out. This isn't a stock up haul or anything like this. This is just about a week's worth of meals in terms of like my meal plan. And then the rest of it's just filler that I needed to fill the cabinets with to further make those meals. So let's get started. Got some beef flavored ramen, 3 cans of tuna, diced tomatoes for taco salad. I did get 2 of these sweet peas, cans of sweet peas. I have a bunch of green beans, a bunch of mixed veggies too, so already in the cabinet. So I just needed peas. For breakfast, quick breakfast items, I got some country sausage gravy from Libby's and corned beef hash. To me, this tastes very similar to McDonald's gravy, and I love it. I got the gourmet nacho cheese sauce for Fiesta potatoes and these refried beans for taco salad as well. 3 cans of cream of chicken for chicken casserole. I needed canola oil, cooking spray, the original kind, ketchup. Also got a paprika because I was out. Can't make homemade fries or Fiesta potatoes without paprika, so I needed some of that. I also grabbed some medium-sized soft taco tortillas, and you get 10 in here. So I use these for, sometimes I use them for quesadillas, sometimes we eat tacos, but this time I bought them so I could have breakfast quesadillas. I do have a video on that, so they're really good. We did get a cake mix, so I got some vanilla icing and a Devil's Food cake mix, chocolate cake. I want to do KFC Bowls, so I got some of these instant because I like when we do the KFC Bowls to be pretty like quick, easy, after school kind of thing. Yeah, whatever gets us the easiest route here. So buttery home style mashed potatoes, these are the instant kind. I did get one more package of the Southeastern Mills peppered gravy mix, so 2 breakfast. We will have gravy and biscuit, but not in the same week. Does that make sense? So this isn't just to put back, and we'll probably have that one within the next day or 2. Kool-Aid is expensive, y'all. I cannot believe how much Kool-Aid is. I believe, well, these at Save-A-Lot. So the Kool-Aid Tropical Punch is one of our favorites. I wish they still had Sharkberry or Sharkberry Fin, something shark. That one's my favorite one, and Connor's too, but they don't have it anymore. This is the next best flavor in my opinion, and it's Tropical Punch. These at the Dollar General are like 2 for $2. These at Save-A-Lot were 4 for $2, I believe. Yeah, anyways, wow. Okay, wow, too expensive Kool-Aid. So I got a taco seasoning for taco salad, and a chicken and a brown gravy mix for KFC Bowls. Over here, I got 3 boxes of stuffing mix for chicken casserole. I make a huge chicken casserole, and we eat on that for a few days. I needed some golden rounds, so just like the classic buttery crackers for like soups, stuff like that, cheese and crackers for snack kind of thing. I did pick up a hamburger helper in Stroganoff because this is going to be a quick easy meal one night too. And I got Doritos for taco salad, and then my mom is having a small little dinner thing the week after Easter, so we're just doing sandwiches, chips, dip, like finger kind of foods. So I just picked up these J. Higgs classic potato chips and ripples, and surprisingly this J. Higgs brand is not bad. Like, I buy this for our house all the time. We eat them. It is a cheaper brand. They're 2 for $4, but they're still decent chips. Okay, I did grab some shredded iceberg lettuce, and this is for taco salads or sandwiches, which we already have sandwich meat. Because I did do a Walmart run, but I did not film that one. And this Save-A-Lot run we done late last night. So I'm bringing all this stuff back out to share with you. Did get some seedless red grapes, some yellow potatoes, and of course we use potatoes for many things. Mashed potatoes, homemade fries, fiesta potatoes. We love taters. I wanted to get Connor some yogurt, and this is the one he picked, the Yo Crunch Twix kind, and he had tried one last night. He liked it. And then I needed mild shredded cheddar cheese, so picked up a bag of that, pepperonis, and a block of extra sharp cheddar cheese. And these 2 items will be for snacking. 2% milk, some stick butter, and for Mom's little Easter dinner, I picked up this French onion dip to go with the chips. This is the last little bit, and outside of this, we got water. This total was like $130 for a week worth of groceries. I mean, yeah. So, Tyson crispy boneless chicken bites for KFC Bowls. These alone were $10 a bag. I like getting the Save-A-Lot brand of the popcorn chicken, but they did not have that. So, and then I got 2 ground beefs. So, 1 for taco salad and 1 for stroganoff. And then a package of boneless, skinless chicken breast. So this is almost 1.5 pounds. Yeah, it's going to make a pretty good size chicken casserole. So that is our meal plan for the next week. And a lot of these nights there will be leftovers. So that is all I got at the grocery last night. Hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for more videos like this. And don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional grocery links. They're in the kitchen as well as that meal plan. It's in the description box. I thank you guys so very much for watching. And stay tuned for more videos like these.